Good afternoon, guys. This is RJ with Jim Glover Dodge in Owasso. This video is for Mr. and Mrs. Miller. It's going to be a walk-around video on a 2023 Pacifica Hybrid. It's a limited with an S appearance package. Alright, as you can see, we've got the S appearance package, which blacks out all the accents and the wheels, your grille, the badging. You've got the nice LED headlights, black mirrors. And as we come around here to the driver's side, you can see the plug-in port. You just push it, pops out, and I know it's kind of dark. You just plug in right there. Close, and it's just as simple. Okay, so we do have power sliding doors and a power lift gate. You just double click and everything opens up. So because it's a hybrid, it does not have stow in these seats. These seats fold and tumble. Pretty simple. Easy access to the third row. Just push them back, they lock into place. And then as you're walking by, just press the little button, closes the door. So we'll swing back around here. Plenty of cargo space in the back here. And then here, you've got your charger and a front license plate bracket. Down here is an access panel for the battery. That's the 12-volt battery. Okay, so this third row, I'm gonna step back a little bit. This third row does stow in the back. You just pull this, and then pull the number 2, and it lays back and just falls away. Setting back up is just as simple. Pull it up, sling it forward, and then pull the back. Simple as that. And then to close the hatch, just press that button. The hatch gives you an audible warning that it's coming down. It comes down, seals tightly. Same fold and tumble seat. Again, easy access to the third row. You just push that button. I have the keys in my pocket, so the horn honks to let you know they're not in the car. Alright. This car does have the dual pane panoramic sunroof. And with your S appearance package, you get this nice black leather, perforated inserts. You get this nice white seam. And then of course the S logo. Coming around to the door, all 4 windows, locks, memory seats. Okay, and as we come to the steering wheel, it does have adaptive cruise control. That's what these are. This sets your distance between the cars. This is normal cruise control. On this side, these are how you navigate through the screen. This is all your voice recognition. All right, to the dash. You got your shifter knob, all your climate control, sensors. This is auto parking. And it's got the big screen. You can just navigate through the options. And I hit the home button. Plenty of storage. And down here, your wireless charging pad and your media ports. You got the standard glove box.